Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Walmart money card without needing a social security number. This is great if you want to start using your card right away, but don't have a social security number to register it. First, open your browser and go to walmartmoneycard.com.omat. Once the website loads, look for the Activate Your Card option. On most screens, it's located at the top right corner. Tap or click on it to get started. Next, you'll be asked to enter some personal information and card details. This usually includes your name, date of birth, and the card number printed on the front of your Walmart money card. Make sure to double-check everything you type to avoid any errors. Even without a social security number, you can still activate the card as long as all other information is correct. After entering your card details, tap Next. The system will process your request, and within moments, you should see a confirmation message that your card has been successfully activated. Now you can start using your Walmart money card for purchases, online payments, and even for cash withdrawals at Walmart or other locations that accept prepaid cards. And that's it! Activating your Walmart money card without a social security number is simple, quick, and straightforward. Once activated, your card is ready to use immediately. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free, with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.